Well, hello everyone. It's Kay. And today I have two amazing jobs to share with you. You can be making up to $25 per hour while working from home. So let me give you the requirements for the first job. You have to be bilingual, that's speaking both English and Spanish. You should have experience working in a call center, and you should be proficient with Google Drive and other programs, including Google Docs, Sheets, Calendar, and Mail. You should be willing and eager to learn and flexible to constant changes. Along with that, you should have excellent time management skills and be well organized. You should have a strong attention to detail. And lastly, you should be a real team player. Now, if you've got these skills, then you meet most of the requirements. However, there are some work from home requirements. But before I get into that, let me share with you the good news. This company will provide you with the equipment that includes the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, and headset, plus remote work stipend. Yes, you get all of that. And now let's get into the work from home requirements. So you should have high-speed internet with the required speed limits. You should have a quiet space to speak to members with minimal background noise. And you must understand the importance of protected health information and ensure that any data or information is not visible to others. Now, if you meet the requirements and this sounds like something for you, then you'll want to stick around to hear the rest of the details. All right, guys, so this job lead that I'm going to share with you is with Better Life Partners, and they're hiring for a bilingual member services associate. This is a fully remote role and it's full-time. So, who is Better Life? So Better Life Partners, they provide what it takes to heal from addiction, wherever and whenever. They're on a specific mission to help any underserved individual achieve a healthier life filled with belonging, love, and purpose. And they do this by working alongside community-based organizations and delivering high-quality care directly to their members. They run a highly agile and mobile organization focused on innovating healthcare while staying true to their values. Okay, now, in this role, what you will do is interact with their members, treatment facilities, referral sources, BLP counselors, and clinicians and members of the local healthcare community. You will be a resource for members and community partners by answering questions and addressing needs on a case-by-case basis. You will ensure that daily operations of the program are running smoothly through scheduling, coordination, and troubleshooting. And your important work will allow members to receive quality care in their communities in order to make a better life within reach. This position is fully remote, work from home, and it's full-time, and the starting pay range is $18.53 to $25 per hour. Now, let's just run through your responsibilities in this role. You'll demonstrate and communicate the core values of Better Life Partners, which is love, act, partner, advocate, and grow. You'll answer phone calls, text messages, and emails, as well as address work tickets throughout the day as they arrive in a timely manner. You'll work as the go-between for members and their medical providers and counselors to schedule same-day appointments where availability exists between both parties. You'll reschedule members for makeup meetings and coordinate with medical management team to ensure no disruption of service. You'll coordinate meetings over Zoom between their members and medical providers or counselors. You'll work with their teams on individual issues that may arise with their members, review and update member and care providers' requests within their proprietary EMR system. You'll handle records requests and release of information while ensuring the confidentiality of their members and within the regulations of 42 CFR Part 2 and HIPAA. and using judgment and discretion to effectively handle any additional member services and efficiently manage provider or counselor caseloads. Now, we already covered the qualifications, so we don't need to go through that. We covered the work from home requirements, already covered that. So as you can see, we pretty much went through everything here, okay? And we've made it to the bottom. Now, if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, as you can see, the application is right here to the right. They ask for very general information. Here's where you attach your resume, or you can paste it in and then fill out answers a few more questions right here. And then they have some voluntary questions down here that you can or cannot, well, you can answer. If you choose not to, you can just leave it as I don't wish to answer. But other than that, once you get down here, you just hit that submit application and you're good to go. All right, so that covers it for the first job lead. Let's move on to the second one. And job number 2 also offers you the opportunity to make $25 per hour from home. Now, the requirements for this one is that you should be a positive individual and have a general knowledge of trading cards and the collectibles industry. You should possess strong problem-solving skills and high attention to details. Along with that, you should have excellent communications in both verbal and written. And you should be able to multitask and manage time effectively, and be proficient in Microsoft Word and Excel, and have the ability to work through phone and email interactions with customers. Lastly, you should be able to work flexible hours, including evenings and weekends. Now, if this sounds like your job, then let me give you the rest of the details. So the second job that I'd like to share with you is with Fanatics. They're hiring for a customer support associate, and this is remote anywhere within the USA, okay? So Fanatics, they are the ultimate one-stop sports fan destination that ignites and harnesses the passion of fans and maximizes the presence and reach for preeminent sports partners globally, okay? And what you'll be doing in this role as a customer support associate is acting as a liaison between Fanatics Collectibles, Inc. and their consumers as a single point of contact to all customer inquiries regarding products, policies, and services available. Okay, so mainly you'll be providing information for the customers that contact the company. And this role reports directly to the customer service manager. This is a remote role working Eastern Standard Hours, okay? Customer service is at the backbone of what Fanatics believe in. Dedication and passion to match the fans that drive their business. Okay, now as far as your responsibilities go, you will be a liaison between Fanatics Collectibles and consumers by supporting all inquiries and issues. You'll model exemplary service through telephone, email, and direct mail channels. You'll delight the customers, apply good judgment on a case-by-case basis, expedite resolutions, and follow up to ensure satisfaction. You will build and maintain relationships with repeat customers, and you'll develop a thorough knowledge of Fanatics Collectibles products portfolio and release calendar, and additional duties as assigned. And that's pretty much it. So we've covered the qualifications already, and the hourly pay is $20 to $25 an hour. Okay, and that's about it. That's about it for this role. So if you are interested in applying, here's the apply for this job button. You just click right there. You can start the process, and I've made it easy for you. I have both of the links to both jobs down in the description below. click on whichever one you're interested in applying to and start the process. And I wish you the best. So if you're interested in more job leads to apply to, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And that way you will be notified when the job is available. Okay. But till then, I thank you so much for stopping by, and God bless you.